So give us three ideas, Ajay, based on your understanding of the pivot in the economy, your consumption patterns, or where you think the next big wave is coming. Three ideas which may not make money today, tomorrow, this month, this quarter, but certainly could be great compounding machines for next 3 to 5 years where they will grow above India's nominal GDP. Because if companies are growing at 12, 13% for 3 or 4 years, I mean, for long-term investors, that's like a gold mine.
See, you don't have to be, invent anything new. As I said, companies servicing capital markets. Now, just that one segment is going to be enormous. So whether you invest in AMCs, whether you invest in companies like CMS, I'm not recommending it. I'm not supposed to. I'm just saying depository companies put together that whole, and some of the companies which are doing financial services company, but also doing investment in the market. And there are 2 or 3 of them which have given stellar returns. So I think capital market whole setup is, and including the stock exchanges, will become the biggest theme in the next 3 to 5 years in our view. The second big theme, I think, is going to be consumer tech. I think that's where the name of the game is going to happen. Consumer tech is going to be really very, very large. The third is newer plays in retail. I think it's not going to be the game about who put in more stores, and that's quite visible. It's a game about who's innovating new products. And I think that's where the old consumer companies will fall out. The new ones will come in. For instance, the new company which does only chemical-free cosmetics. Now, they may do well, sometimes they may not, but in a 3 to 5 year perspective, they will lead this world in terms of using cosmetics, using, the daily use items, because they don't have anything to worry about. A liver has to worry about because its chemical product needs to be, killed before they can become a chemical-free, product-driven company. So, consumer tech, in the new age, non-chemical, organic industry, I think will be the biggest multiplier. And the last one is going to be, I still believe, companies which hold land. I think plantation companies will give enormous returns because today they are valued at tea and coffee basis. Once the development starts and the rules change, we're talking about square footage coming out of acres. We're talking of 20, 30, 40,000 crore valuation of some of these companies. So I think roughly you stick around this theme, and I think it should be fine. And last, autos. I think we will rule the world in auto. In auto ancillaries, there is second to none that India will be, and we are pretty large in Europe already. So I think put those 5 segments together, you are in a good wicket as far as investment is concerned.